Mhm. All right. Welcome back to the Coffee Shop OOP series. And we have already covered encapsulation and abstraction. Now let's dive into inheritance. And we'll also compare it to composition. So you know exactly when to use each one. Um, all right. Inheritance allows one class to reuse the logic of another by extending it. The child class automatically inherits structure and behavior from the parent. It's ideal when new types follow an is a relationship, like beverage is a product. So if you can talk about an analogy, and I always use that, always use that. Think of a vehicle class: car, motorcycle, truck. All share common logic like start engine, but each can behave differently. So let's dive into our coffee shop example. Uh, First of all, I create a new product. So I have this new folder here with this new product because before I have a simple product. Now I create a new product. So this new product we have uh, name, base price, and have this constructor and get the final price. And this get final price, I have the base price. This is product. But if we take a look in beverage, who inherited the new product, or snacks, who inherited the new product, beverage, I have the same get final price, but here I'm overriding it. So the final price is the base price plus it is code. So I have this new property here. If is code, I have this plus here. This plus is $1. So it's much simple. And this next, I have nothing. Works like the new product. All right, now let's run this demonstration. So I have here my program is pretty different than the beginning. So right now I can run this, and now so let's run our demonstration here. So I have this inheritance sample that I have in this folder. So I'm adding here a beverage, a snack, and a beverage. And this beverage uh, is not cold, and coffee is not cold, and the iced tea is cold. So here we have $5, and it will be the same. $3 and will be the same. And here it's cold, so we have $1 plus here. So if I run, oops. If I run here, we can see the inheritance sample. So we have the coffee, the same price, the cookie, the same price. In the iced tea, we have this plus. So I just change one behavior. And now, uh, why consider composition? Let's stop here. Inheritance gives reuse, but it's rigid. If your behavior needs to change at runtime or varies across types, composition gives you more control. Let's see this table here. So we can follow these rules like concept, relation. Is A is inheritance. Has A is a composition. Coupling, it's tie, or composition is loose. Flexibility is static, or composition is dynamic. Reuse is structure, and composition is behavior. Extensibility, subclass required, and composition just swap components. Let's let's go on. So when to use inheritance when types have a natural is a relationship, like I talk, beverage is a product, or shared structure is stable and consistent. Use composition when behavior varies independently. You want the stability at runtime and runtime flexibility. You want to inject or combine behavior. Let's take a look in another example of composition. So I built here another product. It's a composed product. So I have this composed product and I have almost the same. We can see name, base price, but now I have a calculator too. And this calculator will calculate how to calculate the final price. So I just having with the base price, just calculate for me. If I came here in the beverage surcharge, I have the same is code. It's a private property and a public constructor here. And the calculate is the same that I did before. Base price plus is code $1. If not, zero. And I built this polymorphism example. Oops, I'm changing here. I built this composition with sample with the same thing. Like I have hot coffee is code is false, iced tea is code is true, and cookie is true. If I run, so let's check again. Hot coffee 5, iced tea 4 plus 1 5, and cookie 3. So, inheritance gives structure, composition gives flexibility. Understand both and choose intentionally. So, the next video, next up is polymorphisms, where both inheritance and composition shine through shared contracts. Code, blog, and links below the video. Have you ever replaced inheritance with composition in your code base? Tell me how it went to in the tell me how it in comments. See you guys.